Welcome to my channel Earn Wisely, where we decode the art of earning wisely. Subscribe for practical financial tips and strategies to empower your journey toward financial success. Enjoy the video. Hit the like button and share with like-minded people to grow together.
Hey, what's up, Earnwisers? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you enjoyed our last video, and today we're diving into something that many of you have been asking about: how to make some serious money with the Amazon affiliate program right here in Nigeria. Yep, you heard it right. Amazon's global affiliate program is not just for those in the West. It's an opportunity for us right here in Nigeria to earn some extra cash or even turn it into a full-blown online business. So, if you've been curious about affiliate marketing, stick around because, in today's video, we're breaking down the strategies and steps to make those Amazon affiliate dollars rain right here in Nigeria. But before we dive in, make sure you hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and let's jump right into it. Section 1: What is Amazon Affiliate Program? So, first things first, what exactly is the Amazon Affiliate Program? Well, it's a way for you to partner with the world's largest online retailer, Amazon, and earn commissions by promoting their products. And the best part? It's not just for our friends in the West, it's a global opportunity, including right here in Nigeria. Section 2: Why should you join Amazon Affiliate Program in Nigeria? Now, you might be wondering, why should you bother with the Amazon Affiliate Program in Nigeria? Well, stick around because we're about to unpack some fantastic reasons. From a vast product selection to the trust associated with the Amazon brand, there's a lot in it for us. Section 3: Getting started with Amazon Affiliate Program in Nigeria. Ready to dive in? Good. Let's talk about how you can get started. I'll walk you through the sign-up process, and we'll discuss the essential elements like having a blog, website, or a solid social media presence. So, stay tuned for some key tips on creating content that converts. Section 4: Navigating the Amazon Affiliate Dashboard. Once you're in, navigating the Amazon Affiliate Dashboard might seem a bit overwhelming at first, but fear not. I'll guide you through the important metrics and show you how to optimize your links to track your performance effectively. Stay tuned for coming detailed video. Section 5: Strategies to maximize earnings. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty of making money. We'll discuss some killer strategies to maximize your affiliate earnings. From killer product reviews to engaging tutorials, we've got you covered. Plus, I'll share the importance of promoting products that resonate with your audience. Coming is 3 main strategies to maximize your earning. 1. Target high conversion niches. Identify and focus on niches with high conversion rates. Choose products that have a higher likelihood of being purchased by your target audience. 2. Optimize content for conversions. Craft compelling and authentic product reviews. Provide detailed information, pros and cons, and your personal experiences with the products to help your audience make informed decisions. 3. Implement advanced linking strategies. Leverage different types of affiliate links. In addition to standard product links, use Amazon native shopping ads, which dynamically display products based on your content and audience behavior. Section 6: Amazon Affiliate Program Policies for Nigeria. Before you dive head first, there are a few Amazon Affiliate Program policies specific to Nigeria that you need to be aware of. https://affiliateprogram.amazon.com/. Conclusion. And there you have it, Earnwisers. A comprehensive guide on how to make money with the Amazon Affiliate Program right here in Nigeria. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our insights. Until next time, keep earning wisely.